Hey there, how are you doing?
This tutorial is really going to help you.
These presenters you see are all AI-generated avatars that were made in minutes. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate these AI avatars for your video. AI avatars let you create a presenter without ever stepping in front of a camera. In this video, we're going to be using Clueso to generate our AI avatars. First, go to clueso.io and start a new project by uploading your video. For this tutorial, I'll use a rough Airbnb screen recording. Once the video is uploaded, Clueso automatically generates a script based on what's happening in your video. Now, we can make edits to this script as we wish and then click Generate Speech. Remember, without generating speech, you cannot add an AI avatar to your video. Once you have generated your speech, you can click this icon to add avatar. You'll see a library of pre-built AI avatars with different looks and styles. Pick one that fits the tone of your video. If it's a product walkthrough, go neutral and professional. If it's more casual, pick something that matches that energy. You can pick amongst the 15 characters that you see here. And once you choose a character, you'll see multiple options to choose a look for your AI avatar. On hovering, you'll see a short preview as well. Each AI character has multiple looks to choose from for people with different uses and tastes. Once you decide the AI avatar you like, you can make edits to it on the right panel. You can adjust the layout as per your needs and even change the size of your avatar. You can even add a custom background to your avatar by either adding a color of your choice or just uploading any image that you want that will match your video. You can even create a border if you like and adjust the rounding of that frame. Now that your avatar is ready, let's work on the delivery of the script. If you want it to feel more human, let's add emotion tags to your speech. Put the emotion in square brackets before the sentence starts, like excited or calm, and the voiceover tone is changed accordingly. Make sure to hit Generate Speech to apply the emotion tags or any other change you've made to the script. Until you hit Generate Speech, your script remains untouched.
This is a tutorial video. This is a tutorial video. This is a tutorial video.
If you don't like the way the emotion sounds the first time, you can click Generate Speech again and keep trying until the voiceover is perfect. Once you fine-tune your script, you're done. You'll also notice that your AI avatars right now are static. This means that they're not moving the way you want them to. This is only because your video isn't exported yet. Once you download your video, your AI avatars are going to perfectly lip-sync to the voiceover that you've generated.
This is a tutorial video. This is a tutorial video. This is a tutorial video.
And that's it. No camera, no setup, no retakes. Just a clean, professional video with your AI presenter ready to drop into any project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.